I'm champion trader Kevin Davey, and today I'm going to talk about some of the benefits of automated algo futures trading. So let's get started. Okay, so let's talk about some of the benefits of automated algo futures trading. I have a full article on my website. You can go to the link in the description and check it out. But I just want to focus on one big benefit, and it's probably two benefits, but I'm going to kind of combine them together. And the benefit is you don't need to be an expert in any one market to succeed because of how you build your algos. You might be like, what? What's he talking about? Well, think about the stock market, and if you're chart trading Tesla or something, you want to know as much as you can about Tesla and the price action. You might even want to know its financials. You might want to have a Twitter feed open to see what Elon Musk is saying and other people are saying, because that will influence the price. So, in short, you kind of become an expert if you want to trade it successfully, right? You want to know as much as you can about it. But the nice thing about futures trading with algos is you don't necessarily have to know all the details. So, for example, I couldn't tell you how much coffee was produced in the world in the past year, but I can tell you how to trade it based on my algos. How is that possible? Well, I build algos that are back tested. So I put rules in to my trading platform, and then I test it, and I see if it comes out to be profitable or not. And when you back test correctly, you can find something that's worked over the past 5-10 years. So while I may not know the details of the coffee market and demand and supply and crop size and weather and all that, I can still trade it successfully because my algo, in effect, takes all that into account. It generates signals to buy and sell that have historically worked. Doesn't mean they're going to continue to work going forward. You've probably heard the saying, past performance is not indicative of future results. That's absolutely true. But all things being equal, I'd much rather have a back test that was profitable historically than one that wasn't profitable, right? That just kind of makes sense. It's nice because I don't have to be an expert. So I can trade coffee, I can trade corn, I can trade the euro currency, gold, silver, copper, all sorts of different markets, all sorts of different sectors, and I can put them together into a portfolio, which is really nice. To sum up, one big benefit of automated algo futures trading is you don't have to be an expert in any particular market. As long as you can build algos to trade that market and you have a proven development process, you should be in good shape. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to my channel. And don't forget, click over on the link in the description and it will take you to the full article. Thanks for watching.